Hello. So we are back. Same Thursday, and we have a Lenovo laptop. Okay. And on my PC, I think it's time for a new Windows. Anyway, the problem with this Lenovo laptop is not coming on. Yeah, so we booked in the job for a motherboard, no power. This is I think was the first laptop which I seen it working on 5 volts, 4 amps, and actually is the first laptop which I burned it with my power supply. Yeah, not this one, like 1 year ago. So be careful because the charger it's a round pin, and if you try to check the laptop with the power supply and come with the 19 volts, you'll kill the laptop. So this charger has 5 volts, 4 amps. That's what the charger need on this laptop. So you see, accident happened. So we have the charger. We can check the charger with the multimeter. You can see on the multimeter is 5.1 volts. So the charger is fine. Plug the charger. And we have no charging light. You can see it's no charging light there, and you can press the power button and nothing happened. We have no lights. This is a Lenovo IdeaPad 100S. Okay, so that's the problem with this one. Whatever I will do, I have no light, no charging light and no power light. But be careful, yeah, be careful, because I got tricked by the fact it's a round pin connector, and then I tried to power up the laptop. We didn't have the charger, so I tried to power up the laptop with the power supply. I did fix it, but I didn't expect like to be a laptop with 5 volts. So let's see what we have inside. What can be the problem if we have no charging light and no power on light when we press the power button? Can be a frozen IO chip, you think? Can be. Plastic clips. And that's the laptop. So you see, it's like, that's the reason why it's 5 volts. You have a 3.6 volts battery, which is a normal one, like on any tablet, on any phone. You have a small board, like a tablet board, and that's the laptop. Let's try and take out the battery. Let's first try to reset the IO chip, the super IO chip. Let's plug the battery back. Plug the charger. And no charging light. They're still not working. Okay. Now, the problem is, with the charger, you plug the charger and you can't see anything. You don't know what's going on there, what's going inside. You know, the current, the voltage, you don't know nothing. What we can do before, we can check with the voltage on the charging port, and it is 4.5. How the voltage can be 4.5 if my charger is 5 volts? You see, that's the. I don't even know why there is 4.5 because I can't see anything. So I'll take out the charger and I'll come with the power supply. The power supply, 5 volts. Yeah. And now we can see more. We can see the amps and the voltage. The board has a seal here and was never opened. So I'll stick the ground somewhere. The ground on a screw. If I can. That's why I told you every time, the power supply is speaking with you. Yeah? So I connect the ground. So all I have to do, come with the plus 5 volts on the middle pin of the charging port, and it's taking no power at all. My ground is connected, yeah. Sorry, 1.5 amps. You can see on the charger, 2.5 amps. Can be normal if it's charging, but I can't see the charging light. Let's open the laptop and try one more time, yeah? Same spot. 1.6, 2.6. There's no charging light there. Okay, let's try and press the power button. Power. And it's not coming on. I don't think this power goes on the battery. I think it's going on the board somewhere. Let's take out the battery. No, it is going on the battery. Without the battery, it's not taking current. Let's check the battery. Let's see the battery voltage. Plus, minus. 3 volts. Okay, the battery is too low. Let's charge the battery a little bit. Oh, not 5 amps. Let's say 3 amps. 3 amps. We are charging the battery quickly right now. Just have no problem with the ground. What you stick the ground on the board ground is same ground with the charger port, same ground with the battery. So actually I don't have to take the wires and connect the wires on the minus of the battery. Yeah. No. There's nothing hot here. I just charge the battery a little bit. There are laptops. If the battery is very low, the laptop is not coming on. Okay, let's try again on the charging connector. $1.6, 2.8 is even higher. Let's use the laptop like that. The ground is connected, so I have to connect only the plus here on the middle. 1.6 amps, 2.8 amps, and we have the charging light. You can see there. Charging light. Press the power, and we have the power on light, and the laptop is coming on. Okay, let's power off. This is not helpful. If you give back the customer this laptop, you found nothing. So we have to find if the charger is working fine and if it's charging. So let's connect the charger. Let's see, do we have the charging light. You can see the charging light here. So what was the problem? Let's check the voltage on the board. not this one. The voltage on the board is still 4.5. Even 4.5 should be fine. But I don't know if it's if we have 4.5 because the battery is asking for too much current, and actually the 5 volts from the charger is getting lost, you know, because of the resistance of the wires, you lose current. So let's take out the battery and check the voltage again. Yes, check on the meter. 5 volts. You can see there? 5 volts. So that's the explanation why we have only 4.5. When the battery will get charged, get fully charged, will be 5 volts, but 4.5 is fine. So actually it is 4.5 because the laptop is asking for current. So now I know the current is flowing from the charger to the battery. So everything is fine with my charger. Yes, on this wire from here to the charger you can lose half volt if there is like 2.8 amps, like how much we see. And that's kind of normal, especially when you play with this low voltage like 5 volts. 5 volts, nearly 3 amps, it's a lot. Power on, and it's coming on. So I can say the fault was either a frozen board or, but we did try with the power supply, no? Yeah, we tried and it was not charging. Frozen board or the battery was very low. But don't think that people didn't try to charge it. Yeah, they tried to charge it and there was no charging. Sometimes you'll have this problem. Yeah, it's coming on and we have the charging sign on the corner. The battery charging sign is there, yeah? So everything is fine. Let me shut down. Yeah, you can also check on the battery if the voltage goes up, so you know if it's charging. Let's wait for the laptop to shut down. Yeah, it's off. So now we can check with the with the multimeter, plus minus. So we have 3.5, 16, 17, 18. I think I'm not. 3.5, 27, 28, 29, 30. So the battery is charging. You can see 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So you see it's charging fine. So when you see this kind of laptop dead, you know, don't think like we booked in this like a motherboard job, because normally, you know, it's not coming on. I have to go on the board and perform something, but not on this case. Just a low battery or a frozen board. Cost for us, nothing. Cost for customer, a little bit. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And see you on the next one, yeah? Bye.